How to fix mouse pointer disappeared in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Press Windows plus X on your keyboard. This opens a menu in the corner. Now press the down arrow key to highlight Device Manager, then hit Enter. In Device Manager, press the Tab key once. Then use the down arrow key to scroll down to Mice and other pointing devices. To expand it, press the right arrow key. Then use the down arrow key to highlight your mouse. Now press Shift plus F10 to open the shortcut menu. Scroll down with the down arrow and choose Uninstall Device. Then hit Enter. You will be asked to confirm. Just press Enter again. Close Device Manager by pressing Alt plus F4. Then press Windows plus D to go to your desktop. To shut down, press Alt plus F4 again. This opens the shutdown dialog. Just press Enter to restart your PC. After the restart, Windows will automatically reinstall your mouse driver and your cursor should reappear. And that's it. You have fixed the missing mouse pointer with just your keyboard. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.